Hey, what's up? This is Justin Sardi here, and I'm really excited to announce this brand new training program or a series of live training calls that I'm going to be rolling out all about affiliate marketing, and in particular using ads on YouTube or Google Ads, right? So we're going to be using YouTube ads to promote affiliate offers and see amazing results. So just a couple of things that I want to show you real quick, or just some results that I've got from promoting very simple videos. And the cool thing about this system is you can literally take one video, upload it to YouTube, and it provides you with evergreen commissions if you follow this system that I'm going to be laying out on these live training calls that you're going to have a chance to join today. And also, real quick before I get into these results, I just want to mention that everybody that signs up is going to get a free one-on-one strategy session with me to help you map this out and make sure that everything is done correctly right off the bat. In addition to that, we'll be doing the live training and having live Q&A, so nobody's going to be left behind. So let me quickly show you a couple of results. These are just literally just three of my dashboards. Here's one right here. This is one video I uploaded a while back. As you can see right here, $1,353.12. That 12 cents really adds up. But this is literally from one simple video. This video took me about 20 minutes to make. I uploaded it to YouTube, set up the campaign, and now it's literally, it's not a high traffic one. That's why this is a little bit lower. But this is the commissions that I've earned just from one video. Here's another one right here. You can see a sale amount, $8,269 in sales from one simple video that I uploaded and have not touched ever since I uploaded it and set it up, right? And these are just a couple of the results that you can possibly get. Now, I'm not saying, this is not a get rich quick. It's, it is pretty easy once you follow the system, but it's not a get rich quick scheme. It does take a little bit of time to build this up. But as you're looking right here, these are literally just two simple videos. Here's another thing just from my ClickBank account. This is, you can see just a couple weeks ago, $10,000 in commissions. Here's another like 1,000 right here. And these just kind of passively roll in as I'm deploying these promotions, right? And affiliate marketing has been a huge part of my business, which is why I'm so excited to share this brand new training with you. So a little bit about how this is going to work, right? So this is going to be my step-by-step process for creating simple affiliate marketing campaigns, uploading these videos to YouTube, having traffic pushed to them kind of passively, if you will, when people are actively searching for these things. And I'm going to be breaking it all down on the call, right? So this is going to help you once you follow this system. We're going to have 2 full training calls, and each of these training calls is going to have an action plan that goes with it. So at the end of the training call, you go through, you implement everything, jump on the next one, and then we go and set up our ads, right? This is going to cover everything from what affiliate marketing is, how it works, how to find a hot selling product, how to create landing pages, videos. We're going to be talking a little bit about list building as well, because that's a huge part of this system. It doesn't have to be, but I prefer to build a list because it really helps you build this into a long-term business, if you will, right? Once you kind of get that list up and going, you're going to start seeing some amazing results because you'll be able to continue promoting additional products to them. You'll be able to use that email list to target people better on YouTube, and a whole bunch of things that we'll be covering during the call. Now, this is a hands-on training that includes a private one-on-one session with me, right? So those are going to be kickoff sessions. And the cool thing about this whole system is you don't actually have to have your own product to sell. I'm going to show you exactly how to go about finding these products and creating marketing campaigns around them. And there's literally tons, thousands and thousands, if not millions of businesses that will pay you to help them make sales. And that's what I've been doing for a long time. I'm actually going to share a lot of my videos that I've been using, show you exactly how I'm creating those, all that good stuff on the calls. So this is a 4-step system, like I said, and essentially what is going to be covered, we're going to have live session number 1. And sorry, I'm just kind of referencing some notes over here, right? Live session number 1, we're going to be covering the basics. What is affiliate marketing? All that good stuff. We'll cover the tools of the trade. I'm going to break down everything that you need to make this system work, right? We'll talk about picking an offer. This is a very important thing. If you get this one wrong, your whole campaign is just going to flop. We have to pick solid offers. So we're going to be breaking down exactly how to do that, some of my favorite networks to use, and some alternative networks as well that don't get hammered with traffic, which equals easy sales. So we're breaking all that down. Then we'll break down the mapping and planning out of our campaigns. How does everything work? What do we do? From start to finish, how does that entire process work? So we have a solid roadmap to follow, right? And I'll be breaking all that down on the call. And then we'll have some homework, and that homework is going to be you implementing exactly what we covered in that call. Then we'll circle back around for call number 2. Now, call number 2, everything's going to be kind of mapped out. We'll have built our landing page by that point. That's when we start to really set up the ads and start to push traffic to these pages, start to see the results. And this actually may go into 3 sessions. We might have an extra group coaching session just to kind of get all those questions answered. Kind of depends on how those calls go. Last time I did something like this, it actually went over into 4 sessions because there was so much information to cover, and it was it was really fun. So really excited to do this. It's going to be very over the shoulder. So we're going to be talking about, campaign setup from there, exactly how to set those up the right way, how to track conversions, how to scale, and really how to see exactly what's going on in your campaigns. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, and you definitely should be interested in this system has been proven to work over and over, and it has literally added, 6 figures per year to my business, this affiliate marketing system. So I know it's going to work for you as well, which is where I'm really excited to teach this one live. Make sure you get all of your questions answered. So go ahead and click the button on this page. This is only open for a limited time. And due to the fact, one other thing, due to the fact that I am taking on one-on-one calls with people, there are a limited number of seats, right? Because I can't take on, hundreds and hundreds of people. I just don't have the time for that number of calls. So definitely get in early, because once those spots are gone, that's it. And I only plan on selling about 40 of these is about how much time I have over the next couple weeks for these calls. So just a heads up there, I am running ads to this as well. You actually may have come here from an ad, right? But just want to toss that out there, let you know, and really looking forward to those one-on-one calls with you, and really looking forward to these live training sessions where I'm going to be breaking down all of that affiliate marketing, or all my affiliate marketing tactics that I have been using over the years to add at least 6 figures a year to my business. So this is a great passive way to get started online, and even if you are an experienced marketer, this is a great way for you to add some additional revenue to your business. So that's about it for this video. Like I said, spots are limited. I will close this page down once all the spots are gone. So go ahead and click on the button, sign up, and that'll take you to a page where you can register for the live training calls. And then I will be sending out an email with a link to my schedule so you can book that kickoff call, and we can get everything rocking for you. So that's it for me. I'll see you on the kickoff calls and also on the training sessions. See you later. Bye for now.